Welcome to my Jazzy Jeff Science Lab. Today we're making colors do crazy things. Get ready to do STEM projects with your boy Jeff.
It's just Jeff. He's on the go with a big bright shirt and a whoa, whoa, whoa. Learning is fun, and so are you. Let's get ready for something new. It's just Jeff. Here we go. Hey!
First up, we're gonna make water walk. No legs required. Here's what you're gonna need. 7 clear cups, every other cup half full of water. Then you're gonna need some paper towels and some food coloring. Next, you're gonna take a paper towel and you're gonna fold it in half. Then you're gonna fold it in half again. So it looks like that. Then finally, you're gonna fold it in half one more time so these ends meet each other. And it's gonna look like this. Next, we add a drop of food coloring to each cup that has water in it. Start out with the red. You can do it. There we go. Always put the cap back after you use it. It can make a big mess. You can do it. All right. Then we go back to our favorite red. Been a lot of experiments going on with this. Make sure your parents know about this. It can get messy. Next up, this is the really fun part. We're going to dip our paper towels in each cup. Just like that. Including the empty cups. Prediction time. Will the empty cups stay empty or will they get sneak attacked? Whoa, 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 it mixed! It's like when you mixed blue Gatorade and red Kool-Aid and your mom was like, ow! So here's what happened. The water climbed tiny spaces in the paper towels, like plants drinking water. Pretty awesome. Success! Okay, for this next experiment, I brought over my best buddy, Super Fox, to help me with it. We're gonna be making magic milk.
You just made my dairy.
Here's what you need for the experiment. Dish soap, milk, food coloring, Q-tips, and we have a bowl and a plate just to help. Make sure you ask your grown-ups for permission or ask them to help. Once, I forgot to do that. Maybe once or twice, and it didn't end well.
I did that once too.
Only once.
All right, let's get to the real experiment.
Let's do it. Okay, first we pour some milk on the plate. Fill up the little reservoir there. All right, next we add some food coloring. I'm gonna start with blue.
Oh.
Okay, then my favorite color, green. You like green? I do. And then Super Fox's favorite color, red. Just kidding, I know it's blue. And finally, some yellow. Okay, what's next?
Put
This is-
soap in this bowl.
Good job, Super Fox. You've done this before. Okay, now we're ready to experiment. Okay, next, I'm gonna dip one of our Q-tips into our dish soap. We're gonna plunge that into the plate. Hold on, make sure it doesn't drip. Boom! A color explosion! Oh, it looks like a lava lamp from 1999.
I love it.
Me too! Ooh, check it out! It's like a science explosion! Whoa, that's so cool! I've never seen anything like that before. Soap breaks the invisible skin on milk. Sounds gross, but also kind of cool.
Super cool.
It's still going. Okay, friends, our next experiment is called Dancing Raisins. It's really simple. You're gonna love this one. All you need is a clear carbonated beverage. We're gonna use club soda, but you can also use Sprite or 7-Up or anything you have around the house that's carbonated and clear. Next, you're gonna need raisins or dried cranberries. We were out of raisins, so we've got dried cranberries, but you just need a handful of those. So I'm gonna pour these in here. Right. Okay, there's our carbonated beverage. Then a handful of dried cranberries. Look, they're already dancing. Dancing raisins, dancing raisins, dancing raisins, dancing. The raisins will sink to the bottom at first, then suddenly start rising up like they're dancing. Then they fall back down and rise again. Here's why it happens. Tiny bubbles of carbon dioxide stick to the wrinkly surface of the raisins. Those bubbles help lift the raisins to the top, or cranberries in this instance. When the bubbles pop at the surface, the raisins sink again. Okay, and a couple ideas to make it even more fun. Try grapes versus raisins. And does it work in juice? Do the raisins float forever? You can answer all these questions at home. That makes it a real scientific test. Colors can move, milk can dance, and water can climb. Science is cooler than my mom's Hannah Montana obsession in middle school. Sweet niblets. Huh? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It's just Jeff. Don't forget to subscribe.